Hello again. In this video tutorial, we'll get our development environment ready and we'll also set up our IDE. So I'm going to create a folder for our project now in my local file system. I'll do it from the terminal, but if you don't feel comfortable, you can just do it using the File Explorer. So I'm going to do it under my projects directory. Here, I'm going to create TF DigitalOcean, and this will be our directory. While really you can use anything like a terminal or any text editor, I'll be using Visual Studio Code. If you want to follow my steps here, just download the latest stable build for your operating system and install it. I'm using a Mac, so I just download that one and install it. Here's my downloaded folder. There's a zip file which I've already unzipped, and basically I'll double click on Visual Studio Code and there it is, installed. Now the next step is for me to install a plugin, an extension for Visual Studio. In this case it will be the Terraform extension. The first one, this is the widely used one. And I'll install it. Once installed, we'll get nice syntax highlighting and linting, formatting for Terraform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a folder, which is the folder we just created, which is inside projects, TF DigitalOcean. This is going to be our working directory.